Upgrade your cooking game. Instant Pot Duo versus Duo Plus explained. Inspiring innovation in your kitchen. Ever wondered how to revolutionize your kitchen experience? Meet the Instant Pot Duo, your ultimate 7-in-1 kitchen genius. This sleek stainless steel appliance combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer, all in one. With 13 customizable smart programs, you can easily whip up anything from tender ribs to hearty soups, fluffy rice, or even creamy yogurt at the touch of a button. Whether you're in a hurry or prefer a slow-cooked meal, the Instant Pot Duo has got you covered. Cooking meals up to 70% faster or slow cooking them to perfection. Plus, it's easy to clean and comes with over 10 built-in safety features, ensuring a worry-free cooking experience every time. Ready to elevate your meals and save precious time in the kitchen? Discover the amazing potential of the Instant Pot Duo today.
Hello everybody, welcome back to GadgetFather. Today we're focusing on the Instant Pot Duo Plus 6-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 and why it's the better choice compared to the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is a significant upgrade, offering not just the 7 functions of the Duo, but adding 2 more, sterilizing and the Whisper Quiet mode. The sterilization function is perfect for those who want an extra layer of cleanliness in their kitchen, especially for baby bottles, utensils, and more. The Whisper Quiet feature is another standout, making your cooking experience peaceful and interruption-free. Beyond these features, the Duo Plus also comes with an enhanced user-friendly display, giving you more control with intuitive settings and a sleek, modern look. It's designed to make your cooking process easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're preparing a simple meal or an elaborate dish, the Duo Plus offers a versatile and convenient solution. Whichever one you choose, whether it's the versatile Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 or the advanced Instant Pot Duo Plus, you're making a smart decision for your kitchen. Both devices are packed with features that will elevate your cooking game. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite model today.